Okay, ndakubeza. But in my videos, I mean, abanga leak. Like literally, everyone is seeing them and everyone has them.
Yeah.
What do you have to say? Like, what really happened?
Okay, so I was having a boyfriend.
Okay.
So I don't know. I really liked him. And then okay, give me a minute. Like,
yeah, sure.
Okay, so like we were talking back and forth. And then randomly he calls me on a video call. So I'm like, yeah, hey babe, we're talking. And then I said, ndukasamba. So we just talked for a few, and then he's like, I was like, ndikasambe, ndikuimbirabe. He's like, tione. So
tione as in,
like as in good me. I should show him.
Okay.
So we were talking. I wanted to impress him. I don't necessarily date, so I really liked him. And I didn't expect like Kudi and Banga screen record, to be honest. And then I just went vulnerable, I guess. And
this video that he has leaked, is it something that is coming from an argument, Kapena? I want to understand, how can just a whole boyfriend wake up one morning and then decides to leak your videos? Okay,
no longer a boyfriend. First of all, after speaking Nigeria, so like we fell off. Commando is nice, was that dramatic. If anything, that was August.
This video?
Yes,
August.
This video call was in August, but 10 August 2025.
And why did he decide to leak it now?
Exactly my thought. Because okay, randomly and then text on Facebook. Could gig? Could South? And he wants to put me on, That's how I came back in contact with him. And then where I'm mommy and Kazama, and then he's like, don't forget I have your stuff. He said that, and to me it was like, I don't care, because I've never sent him anything, so I never thought Goody like there's anything of mine out there. This and I mean,
There's many Wabanga leak video. Have you guys spoke about it?
I woke up blocked.
He
blocked me for some reason. I woke up blocked. And then meant best friend anger like, girl, it's bad now on a video I go group, and that was like 5 a.m, guys. He's just waking up and then like,
when you first saw the video, how did you feel?
I cried. I felt defeated. I felt betrayed. Like a lot of emotions all at once. I lost it. I cried.
Okay, so let me get this right. Umaga Samba, and then your boyfriend said, can I see? And you guys were doing a video call, which you did not call Woody. You did not know Woody was recording it. And then after that, you guys, you had a fight. You did not expect Woody was going to post this because in a video. Isn't it?
It was a video call and I never thought he has anything of mine.
You probably have a family. How does this family feel about Zone says?
I'm pretty sure they're all disappointed in me.
Did they call you?
Yes, my brother texted me. Because recently, because that's my wife, he had also asked me because I now have a video of me and my wife.
It's okay, you can express, you can cry, it's fine.
I don't know what to do. Like, it's not my fault. It's not like I was showing the whole world. It was a one-on-one conversation that was never supposed to like get out there. And the fact that everybody's blaming me, saying they even think I did it on purpose. What can I gain that I already don't have from a nude of mine going out there? Like,
it's okay. Take a deep breath.
Even people want me to be mean to myself, like just because I'm acting nonchalant on social media, they're bullying me all over. What do you want me to do?
Okay, my post on your platform after this video. Is it you reacting to the heat? Kabena, like is this an act? Are you acting because video jabanga leak and then ubanga post zintu pa Facebook pako like ukutukwana and what not.
Okay, first of all, like I'm not going to be mean to myself. I'm being held accountable. Sindukane. No, people expect if you're mean to me already, why should I be mean to me too? Like I'm all I have right now. So I'm not going to go on social media and feel bad for myself on social media. No, I'm going to uplift myself because then what? Yes, I regret it, but now what? You know, I cannot keep saying, like, bullying myself as well. No, I don't have to. So I'm just going to have to act kuri. You're bullying me. Fine, I don't care. I want to not care so bad.
Can we disclose this guy? Like, we want to know him. Who he is. Where does he stay?
He's in South Africa right now. The last time I was contacting him, he was in 49 and Longwe. I already posted him on my page anyways. And I'm going to sue him because what was the point? What was the reason?
Did he do it out of anger?
I don't even know. And like I said, we fell off way back from August. It didn't even like last after that. So like, and if the right time was then to do it. Like all of a sudden now, just because I'm not giving him the attention that he so much craves, he feels good. He has to have my video out there.
In your last podcast, I remember you talked so much about men. You cannot date, what not. What changed?
I don't know, but I regret it. Whatever it was that switched, I regret it because now look.
Figure time any video kufika this time. Has it impacted you, career yago? Have you received calls that you've lost some business deals? What? Not yet.
No, just bullies. For some reason, I'm getting a lot of just messages from random people just being mean, but it's fine.
You're responding to them, or
no? Some I'm blogging.
Okay.
Some I'm just not even paying attention at all.
Before I leave, what do you feel are the last words that you want people to know? I feel bad. I'm a human being. Regardless of however you people see me on social media, I'm a person, I have feelings. And in fact, if you were to get in contact with people that actually know me, the me that they know and the me that you guys think, you know, are way different. So at the end of the day, you know, I do feel shame. I'm human, I have feelings, and right now I'm so full of shame. I'm ashamed that this happened, and I regret that I was too naive enough to like expose myself to this man like that. But at the same time, that does not define the person that I am. Behind the scenes, I'm just a normal girl who's just trying to get by and just get her career out there. That's all I wanted. I never wanted anything like this to happen, and I never expected anything like this to happen. And I make sure to not put myself, well, now it's not going to sound as believable, but I have been trying, because if not, it would have happened way back. But all I can say is that it will never happen again. And to the people out there, don't do it. It's not worth it. Don't do it.